Hola y bienvenidos a Español 135. Welcome to Spanish 135. My name is Tara Greatorex and I will be your instructor this semester. I hope you all had a great summer. I'm really looking forward to working with all of you this semester. So just a few quick things to give you a feel for how the course is going to go. So once you get access to D2L, make sure you log in. You'll see this welcome announcement as soon as you get in. And then the first thing we want to do is click content. After you read the announcement, of course, click content, and then we're going to start where it says start here. So just click there, and here you'll see all the important introductory information. So you'll see this video, and then you'll see the calendar. So let's look at that together. At the top of the calendar, you can see how the assignments are going to go for this semester. So we're going to have homework packets. Those are going to be due every single module. And the homework packets, you will have unlimited attempts, so you can just keep submitting them until you get the grade that you want. And you're going to submit those through D2L. We will also have quizzes every module. Those you only get one attempt, and once you open it, you have to finish it. There'll be a speaking recording every module, where you'll be answering questions in Spanish or asking questions in Spanish. Then we have 2 pronunciation projects, and those are going to be that you will read a text and aim for clear pronunciation. We have 5 discussion boards. The discussion boards are in English, and there'll be about cultural topics. Make sure you check the due dates on the calendar because we'll have a due date for the initial post and then for the responses. And then we have 2 projects, the field specific project, which is an interview project in English, and then a video project, which is a video in Spanish. Okay, so you can read more about those. We'll talk more about those later, but here we have the calendar. So this course is arranged by modules. So every module is a week. It starts on Monday and it finishes on Sunday. If we have a discussion board, so like you can see for the first week, we have a discussion board. The initial post will be due Wednesday. So your first introduction post is due Wednesday, August 27th, and then everything else will be due on Sunday. So I really suggest you print out this calendar, stick it next to your computer, keep it with you at all times, because this will keep you on track. So if we go back to start here, the rest of the things here, you can see the instructor information. So that's how you can contact me. I answer emails very quickly, so that's the best way to get in touch with me. You'll also see the textbook information. You do need the book. You can get it online, or if you can find an old paper copy, you can get that. It's out of print now, but however you can find it is fine. And then you can read through the rest of the information here. And then each of those assignments I mentioned, you can see more about them here. And then we get into the modules. So you can see how it's organized. Right now, modules 1 and 2 are open, and then everything else will unlock as we get to it. So that's just a quick overview. There'll be a video for each module. So after you finish this one, make sure you watch the video for modules 1 and 2. Again, this is a fully online course. So if you've never taken Spanish before, I recommend that you switch to the face-to-face version. There's a face-to-face version on Stanton campus, or that you take a different Spanish class that's either on Zoom or has a face-to-face component, because it is difficult to go through everything by yourself. Like, I'm here for you, but there's not like a class session, So if you've never taken Spanish before, I would recommend doing one that has an actual class session instead of this one. If you have had some Spanish before, or you feel a little more comfortable, then again, you're going to be going through a lot of materials kind of on your own, and then I'll be giving you as much feedback as I can. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After you watch this video, go ahead and start looking at modules 1 and 2, and I hope we have a great semester together. Adios. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon.